Yeah, you ready? Take it down there.
What do I have to do? Push a... Alright, I'll take a video.
Going. Just tape us.
I'm already taping? I was taking pictures of my life.
Alden! Oh, baby! Ow! Big boy! Oh, no, really?
Old man in the sea. Did you?
Yeah, I lost it. Bottom is paved with huge stripers. I got it. I'm in. Oh!
Hold the rod up.
Sorry. Big one.
Zings has a fish too.
Oh, baby.
Oh my
Oh, you're
god.
running.
You know what,
No,
Danny? I have to help your brother here.
I'll help him.
He's trying, man. It's not good.
Cool.
Mommy, taping or not?
Yeah.
I'm trying. I can't get to everybody. Oh, brother.
Cracking your
Keep
face
reeling, James.
with that rod.
One of them's going back. The other one.
The smallest one. Holy shit.
Got it.
I don't know. Yeah, big enough.
Oh my god. Good, thank you, God.
I gotta see your fucking fish.
Oh,
Go type fish, so. I got it. You told me it's gonna rain. Oh, come on, man. That
We're
cloud's
done.
gone.
We're done.
Who's got the bigger fish? You did. I do?
No, by far, James.
Oh, yeah.
You hooked him in the eye. Did I really?
Caught him looking.
Oh my god. Ugh.
Danny's even a keeper?
I don't think so. Yeah, it is. Whoa.
Oh god.
Just check to see that one might be bigger than the other one we had. Yeah, we should throw the other one down. It's probably dead.
No, you know what?
Might as well.
I need a pliers. You have a plier?
No.
In your bag.
You know,